What's up, Faith Team? It's TRB, naturally. And in today's video, it is early, y'all. It's about 7:30, 7:40 in the morning. And I decided to get up and do my wash day before work, before taking the kids to school. Okay, a little bit of me time, right? And so I figured I'd bring you guys along with me. I have been a little under the weather, and so my hair was in these little bantu knots, if you will. Not even bantu knots. It was like little twist, and then I kind of just tucked it inside of each other. Anywho, I just took that out, and my hair feels really good. It still feels a little bit moisturized from when I did my last video on the Blue Magic, but that's been a couple of days, and I haven't washed my hair in probably about 2 weeks at least. Maybe a little over. Like I said, I haven't been feeling too good, but it's looking good. I'm just trying to keep up with some kind of hair regimen for wash day, and I'm just trying to reach my hair goals this year. I mean, we accomplished armpit length, like just barely last year, but we're going for bra strap length this year, and if I'm going to make it there, I have to make sure I am keeping my hair moisturized and I am keeping up with some type of wash day routine. So for me, bi-weekly is ideal. So let's get into it. As you can see by the thumbnail, we're going to be going back to Hollywood Hair Bar shampoo. I love Hollywood Hair Bar products. They are a little on the pricey side, but when I did really stick to like a month-long regimen with Hollywood Hair Bar, I did see some growth. In fact, one of my most popular videos has like 20,000 views, and it's from using Hollywood Hair Growth Oil. I'll put that in the description in case you haven't seen it. Definitely check it out. And I think I'm going to go back to that and just see what happens this month with using Hollywood Hair Bar. Before I do want to have a measurement to go by. So I'll just measure one part of my hair. This is usually the longest part of my hair, so this will give me a good idea if I made any progress at the end of this challenge. About a month-long challenge. We're kind of nearing towards the end of February, so we'll come back and check after a few wash days, after using the oil, and I'll be using the grease to help seal my ends. But as far as on my scalp, we'll do the Hollywood Hair Bar oil. I'll show you a picture of the oil. I don't have it in here with me, but it's this one here. Yeah. Okay, so here's my measuring tape in inches. Just gonna go up to the top and just pull it down my wrist here so we can see where we are starting. I haven't had the measuring tape out in a long time, so let's see. So it's, oh, hold on. I think it said 10 or 11, but let's see. Let's confirm. So that would be 10. We're going to pull it down. Some of it is reaching 11. So I think I'm going to say 10 and a half. No. It says some of it's barely. We'll say 10 and a half, okay? So 10 and a half. Now, if by chance we make it to 11 and a half inches by the end of this Hollywood Hair Bar / Back to the Basics grease challenge, then we'll be doing something good and we'll know what regimen to stick with for the rest of the year. But let me wash this hair, okay? So this is going to get messy real fast, but I just want to do a little bit with y'all. Here's the consistency of the shampoo. It's got a really good texture, a great lather on it. Smells good. A very subtle hint of mint, but it just does wonders for my curl pattern. As you can see, the curls are popping back out. But the main focus is on my scalp. So, Hollywood Hair Bars, known to help your hair grow, so you definitely want to get them edges. I have a struggle patch over here, so I try to really go in and massage it in over here. A little struggle patch right there. See how short it is compared to the rest. Some damage right there, but that's okay. We're working it out. I'll show y'all the back real quick before shampoo gets in my eyes, because you don't want this stuff in your eye. It will sting. I use the tips of the fingers, apply a little pressure, and then pull the hair out to try to keep it from tangling too bad. Okay, let me finish washing my hair. I'll be back. All right, so I am back and my hair is washed and it feels so good and it doesn't feel stripped. It is so bouncy and soft and my scalp is clean. It doesn't feel weighed down. Mind you, I use grease throughout the week, so the fact that I was able to just wash my hair with that one product, I did not deep condition, I didn't regular condition or anything. I just wanted y'all to see my hair fresh after the shampoo. And my God, look at that. Just beautiful. My hair tends to be a little more frizzy up here for some reason, but there's still some curl definition. That's just how my hair is up here. I don't know if that's something that will be, corrected over time, or that's just how my hair is. It's been like that for a long time up in here. And here it's more defined back here. So, hey, natural hair has a mind of its own. So, but absolutely love that. Now, I am going to go in and spray my leave-in conditioner. I do love this one. I have been using this. So on wash day, I ultimately try to stick with the LCO method. So that's like my L is my liquid, which is the water I still have from wash day. And then the C would be conditioner. It could be a combination of both. I'll spray this one on first, kind of moisturize it in. And then I'll go in with the conditioning agent, like my Blue Magic. So I've kind of got two C's. And then, especially towards the ends, and then I've got the O, which is the oil here to seal my ends. And then, like I said, I'm going to be adding the Hollywood hair bar for another O, if you will, because that's an oil, but that oil is actually going to go directly on my scalp. Like after I decide like what protective style I want for the week, whether it's cornrows or bantu knots or whatever I decide, once my parts are exposed, I'll go in and put the oil in my scalp like at least 3 to 4 times a week and massage my scalp. And yeah, see how this hair growth journey continues. Thank y'all so much for being with me. It really means a lot to me that you guys care about how I'm doing and how my hair growth journey is going. It's been a long journey, y'all. Like, I've been natural for over 12 years at this point, and I just want my hair to reflect that. I'm trying to get the inches, okay? Anywho, like I said, it's early, so I got things to do. But thank y'all so much for watching. Listen, I'm TRV, and that's me, naturally. Blessings!